Hello, in front of me I have Motorola Razr 60, and in this video I'm going to show you how to restart this phone. Okay, we have two methods how we can restart our device. First, and the recommended method, is a reboot through the power menu. To perform it, we need to launch the power menu first. We need to click the power key and volume up at the same time. Just like that. Now, if you tap the restart, your device will be turned off, and after a few seconds it's going to turn on automatically, and our phone will be ready to use. Also, I will tell you that rebooting your device from time to time is good for your device's health, because basically during that process our phone rests for a moment, we can call it that way, and also the RAM gets freed up so it can help with the performance of our phone. And when it comes to the forced restart, that's the second method. This method is recommended, for example, when our whole device is lagged, frozen, basically when it's unresponsive and we cannot do anything. To perform the forced restart, we also need to use the power key and volume up, but this time we need to keep holding both keys until the screen turns off and until we see the Razr logo. So keep holding. And now we can release when we see the Motorola logo. Now the phone will be turned on, and within a few seconds you will see the home screen. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.